Nnamdi Okwu Kanu is a Nigerian Biafra political activist who is also a British citizen. He is the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra. Kanu founded IPOB in 2014. The main aim of IPOB is to restore the separatist state of Biafra which existed in Nigeria's eastern region during the Nigerian Civil War of 1967-1970. As the director of a United Kingdom registered radio station named Radio Biafra, Kanu propagated Biafran separatism. Kanu was arrested on treason charges in Lagos, Nigeria on 14 October 2015 and was detained for more than a year, despite various court orders that ruled for his release. When in court, Kanu appeared regularly wearing a Jewish prayer shawl and head covering. He said in court that he believes in Judaism and considers himself a Jew and oftentimes has led his Biafran people to various Jewish prayers and religious observations. On 28 April 2017, Kanu was released from prison on bail. In early 2021, Kanu played a major part in the insurgency in southeastern Nigeria as the Nigerian security forces attempted to quash IPOB's armed wing, the Eastern Security Network, resulting in a low-level Biafran separatist uprising. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.